Did you know a simple vitamin could be the key to reversing one of the most common yet overlooked signs of kidney damage? Imagine finding a solution in your daily diet that could not only protect your kidneys but also potentially reverse damage that's already been done. The kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering waste products, excess fluids, and toxins from the blood, which are then excreted as urine. They also play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and red blood cell production. Kidney health is crucial for our overall well-being, yet many of us are unaware of the silent threats that lurk, such as proteinuria. Proteinuria, the presence of abnormal amounts of protein in the urine, is a common sign of kidney damage. It indicates that the kidney's filtering units, called glomeruli, are not functioning properly, allowing proteins like albumin to leak into the urine. This condition is often a red flag, signaling that your kidneys are not working as they should. Persistent proteinuria can lead to chronic kidney disease and requires medical evaluation to determine the underlying cause and appropriate treatment. Kidney damage or dysfunction, often due to conditions like diabetes, hypertension, or glomerulonephritis, can impair the kidney's ability to filter blood effectively, leading to protein leakage into the urine. Inflammatory conditions affecting the kidneys, such as lupus nephritis, can also increase proteinuria. Additionally, certain medications, such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, can exacerbate kidney damage and contribute to proteinuria. Other factors like dehydration, intense physical exercise, and infections can temporarily elevate protein levels in urine. But fear not, there is a powerful ally that can play a crucial role in the fight against proteinuria and kidney disease. If you've been diagnosed with proteinuria or are looking for ways to improve your kidney function, this video is for you. We're going to explore the fascinating connection between vitamin B12 and kidney health, and how this vital nutrient can play a role in managing proteinuria and promoting faster kidney healing. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a crucial water-soluble vitamin that plays an essential role in maintaining overall health. It is vital for the production of red blood cells, DNA synthesis, and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Vitamin B12 is also known for its role in amino acid metabolism, neurotransmitter synthesis, hemoglobin production, and gene expression. This vitamin can also play a crucial to stop proteinuria or heal kidneys. It can support kidney health in several ways. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to anemia, which can strain the kidneys as they work harder to compensate for reduced oxygen carrying capacity in the blood. Vitamin B12 is necessary for the synthesis of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Without enough B12, red blood cells may not form properly, leading to a type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia. Pernicious anemia is a specific type of megaloblastic anemia caused by a deficiency in intrinsic factor, a protein needed for vitamin B12 absorption. Without sufficient B12, the body cannot produce enough healthy red blood cells. By maintaining adequate B12 levels, you can help prevent this strain. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to neurological symptoms such as tingling or numbness in the hands and feet, difficulty walking, memory loss, and mood changes. These neurological symptoms can occur even before anemia becomes apparent. Kidney disease often affects nerves, leading to neuropathy. Adequate vitamin B12 levels are essential for maintaining overall health and energy levels. It supports the immune system and helps regulate mood and stress levels. Vitamin B12 supports nerve health, potentially mitigating neuropathy symptoms associated with kidney disease. Your doctor may recommend taking a supplement with a variety of water-soluble vitamins, including B12, if you have kidney disease, especially if you have risk factors for becoming B12 deficient. Now, let's talk about dietary sources of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal-derived foods, making it important for vegetarians and vegans to seek fortified sources. Excellent dietary sources include meats such as beef, liver, and poultry, as well as fish like salmon, trout, and tuna. Shellfish such as clams, mussels, and crab are also rich sources. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese contain varying amounts of B12, with higher levels found in fortified products. For those who avoid animal products, fortified foods like plant-based milks, breakfast cereals, and nutritional yeast can provide B12. Additionally, some supplements and fortified foods contain synthetic B12, which is structurally identical to the B12 found in animal products and is effective in addressing deficiencies. Regularly consuming these foods or supplements ensures adequate B12 intake, crucial for red blood cell formation, nerve function, and overall health maintenance. In conclusion, vitamin B12 plays a vital role in red blood cell formation, nerve function, and has an impact on stopping proteinuria or healing kidneys. While maintaining adequate B12 levels is crucial for general health and treating proteinuria and kidney diseases. However, if you're considering using vitamin B12 or any supplement for kidney health, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance tailored to your specific health needs. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. Stay tuned for the next video, and until then, take care and stay healthy.